Hello guys, my name is Shaima. Okay, so today I will show you how to create bed frame with round corner like this. Okay, so first go to customize, then go to system cabinet. Okay, then from basic cabinet here change to parts. Right, you see the first model here. Okay, drag superboard to the wall here. Then you can change the size. Right, you can put your own dimension inside here. Okay, so the width I put 1800, the depth 2100. Alright, so next you can click B button on your keyboard. Okay, make sure you are inside board selection mode. Then right click on the panel, go to panel point editing. Okay, then on your left corner here you will see the camera view of your panel. Okay, the blue arrow is on the sides, the red arrow is on the top. Okay, then you can drill hole. Make sure you select draw. Okay, do not select rectangle. Draw. Then draw a smaller rectangle inside. Just follow back the shape. Okay, done. So this is how it looks like. Then you can select the outer layer here. Okay, select the first point. Then you see on your right screen, you can change the line type. Okay, this one is a chamfer. You can select the point, then change the type to outer fillet. Okay, select the point, change outer fillet. Right, then you can select the inside rectangle, okay, the smaller rectangle, then select back the point here, change the chamfer type to outer fillet. Okay, you can also adjust the radius. Select the point, then change to outer fillet. Okay, you can see on your left screen here, if you're not satisfied with the corner, you can adjust the radius. Okay, maybe put here 80. Okay, or maybe 50. Right, so 50 is better. Okay, select the other point, change the type first. Okay, then put the radius here, 50. Okay, do the same on the other corner as well. Put 50 here. Okay, then once you are satisfied with how it looks like, then you can press save button. Okay, then go back return. Okay, you can select the panel, right, then change the height. Here I change it to 400. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so you guys can try out. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Alright, thank you guys.